Good morning, everyone. This is Mark with Wear Parts, and with me today is Eric Derry from our customer care team. And what we wanted to touch on today are the disc blades that are special concavity for special applications. Eric, if you could just tell us a little bit about these blades, it'd be killer.
Absolutely. One of the things that we get calls on quite a bit are blades to fit very specific machines that are designed to do a very specific job. A lot of cases, these machines, such as like a Landau VT, they're trying not to move as much soil, but they still want to have that sizing of the residue and making sure that they have nice, even, an even surface of that field as they go across.
That's good. So just to go over some of the, and these particular in this product offering are all smooth edge. So we stock them from the 20-inch all the way up to a 30-inch, which is a special concavity blade for a certain application, 1 5/8 round. But some of these ones here are some of our more popular ones. This one here is a 20-inch smooth edge blade to fit a McFarlane, and that blade is almost flat.
Yeah, you're only talking a 1/2 inch concavity there. There is not much at all. You can see that is not going to move much soil at all to the side. So you're running through the field, it's just cutting. That's all it's doing.
It's very good, yeah. Double bevel edge, a nice sharp edge there. Tell us, Eric, about that blade you have over there.
Now this one over here is a larger blade. This is going to be a 24-inch. And this particular one, kind of unique about this is to fit a Landau. It has the concavity that would match up with the Landau. But this also is available in 2 different types of steel. We have it in our high temper boron steel, but we also have it in a re-rollable steel. So if that blade gets dull, you can take it and have that actually re-rolled and sharpened again.
Yeah, so the temper on that re-rollable blade is lower temper than your standard high quality boron steel. So we offer that in 2 options. The thing to be sure here is don't roll a blade that's at 48 to 52 Rockwell boron steel. What'll happen on that is it will roll, but then the edge will start to crack out. So want to make sure you're using a blade that's re-rollable if you're going to re-roll them to help. And it actually, speaking to some of our customers, they re-roll those blades a couple years in, and it actually it sucks in better.
Well,
With that re-roll on that sharp edge. So some guys re-roll them every single year.
yeah, some of the special concavities we have, all the way down to a 1/2 inch, up to on a 30-inch blade with a concavity of only a little over 3 inches, 3 1/4 inches. So as you can see, we can accommodate several different concavities. If there is a special one that you're needing, we'll do our best to see if we can have that either developed or have it already ready for you.
Very good. Our blade lineup would be one of the most extensive in the country, on the continent. We've got several hundred different blades. It's from your notch disc to your smooth disc, special concavity, just an amazing lineup of discs to take care of the customer.
And in many of our blades and blade offerings, we offer a special Forgino Neo 200 blade, which has 3 zones of heat treat. In the center of the blade, you're going to have a softer heat treat. It's going to be much lower Rockwell. You're talking in the low 40s for the Rockwell there. Then as you move out in the blade, you're going to get into more of what you would consider a standard heat treat in that 48 to 52 range. So you have that center, which is softer, so it gives you that extra flexibility to prevent breakouts in the center. Around here, this middle part, you've got that great durability with that medium hardness, just like any other disc blade. Then when you get out to the edge, we have a really hard edge. I mean, we're talking up into the upper 50s here. So that hard edge is going to stay sharper longer. It's going to wear longer and really make that blade last a long time.
And the price point on those Neo 200 blades, initially up front, the price point on the Neo 200 blades is a bit more, but with that longer wear, you actually get a lower cost per acre. And that's one of the things that we focus on here at Wear Parts, is we want a longer wear life, so it gets you reduced downtime and a lower cost per acre. So it's a win-win situation for our farmers.
Absolutely.
Well, that wraps up our video today on the special concavity disc blades for the vertical tillage market. Thank you and good morning.